Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Adarsh Somashekar. I am one of the consultant pediatricians practicing in Bangalore. Welcome to my channel Health and Fitness in Children. Today I am going to speak about correlation between obesity and COVID-19 disease. So there is definitely a correlation between obesity and COVID-19 disease. So if you look at many studies which are coming out from America, France, Canada, you can see that COVID-19 disease is most severe in obese patients. When they looked at the data from America, they looked at the data of all the people who were intubated and ventilated. There were 3 times more obese people who required intubation and ventilation when compared to normal weight people. Now, even when we look at data from India, clearly the people who are obese seem to have more severity of the disease. So why is that so? One, obesity itself is not a simple condition. Initially we used to think obesity just means storage of energy in fat cells, which we also call as adipose tissue. We always thought this adipose tissue will keep this reserve energy and humans can use it whenever they are in stages of starvation. But this is not as simple as we think. As people put on weight, the adipose cells start becoming bigger and bigger. Once they start becoming bigger, they then start secreting some substances which causes the body to go into a state of chronic inflammation. Also, obese people have difficulty in cellular immunity, which means there is a deficiency of cellular immunity while compared to normal people. Also, in obese people, there is resistance to insulin hormone and resistance to leptin. Again, these 2 substances which are found in our bloodstream is extremely important to give us good immune function. People who are obese also have a lot of fat around their belly. This again makes it difficult to take deep breaths or expansion of the diaphragm. Again, this is critical in patients who are suffering from breathlessness or lung disease due to COVID-19. So I think it is clearly established that obese people seem to have more severe disease than the normal population. So how do we then deal with these circumstances in children? Number 1 is prevention. If your children are normal, ensure that they stay that way. Ensure that they have a balanced diet which has complex carbohydrates, good sources of protein, good sources of fats, good amounts of fruits and vegetables in the diet, and lots of sunlight. Let these children stick to a normal routine where they have a regular sleep hours and they have a regular exercise hours. In case your child is tending to be on the higher side of weight, it is better that you talk to your expert pediatrician or your nutritionist and get an idea how heavy the child is. This is based on the BMI measurements. So then the dietitian or the pediatrician will give a diet chart where there will be lots of proteins, fats, nuts, fruits and vegetables with reduction in carbohydrates. This is very much needed to bring the weight down. As I said, a healthy child will easily fight off COVID-19. Thank you.